Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If your audio has background noise like a fan sound, traffic or hiss, don't worry. Today I will show you how to remove all that using Davinci Resolve. This is very easy and gives a professional result in just one click. Many people record audio in small rooms. Because of that, we get unwanted noise like a fan, echo or outside sounds. Even if your content is good, bad audio can reduce video quality. So, clean audio is very important for YouTube videos, podcast, and voice recording. Now, listen to this raw audio. Hello everyone, this is a test recording. Right now, you may hear some background noise like a fan sound, room ambience, or slight hiss in this audio. This is how raw audio sounds before any processing. You can hear background noise clearly. This is common problem. This is common problem. Now we will fix this using AI voice isolation. This feature uses artificial intelligence to separate voice from noise automatically. Now, no need for complex settings. Let us see how to do this step by step. Open Davinci Resolve and go to the edit page. Select your audio clip in the timeline. Go to the inspector panel. Scroll down to audio section. Enable voice isolation. Now adjust the strength. Start with 50%, then increase slowly. Higher values remove more noises, but too much can affect voice quality also. So balance is important. Now listen to the same audio after applying voice isolation. Hello everyone, this is a test recording. Right now you may hear some background noise like a fan sound, room ambience or slight hiss in this audio. This is how raw audio sounds before any processing. You can clearly hear the differences. Noise is reduced and voice is much clear, professional. So before what happened? Before more noise, less clarity. After clear voice, professional sound, and clean voice. So, this tool is very useful for YouTubers, podcasters, and voice artists. Always record at good volume, not low. Keep mic close to your mouth. Don't overuse isolation, avoid robotic sound. Combine with EQ if possible and compression also for best result. Okay, so these are all the main points. So AI voice isolation in Davinci Resolve can easily pull views if you present it clearly. I hope this video helped you. If you like this, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.